Awesome. So what does PetSmart do with big data?
PetSmart does everything with big data. So we're a company that's supporting over $5 billion a year in sales transactions. So there's a lot of data that comes in behind that. So you've got the raw sales data, you've got the customer data, you've got everything that supports it. So it's a matter of bringing it all into a data warehouse and then being really able to drill down into that data and look for trends and look at the modeling and seeing how we can kind of get ahead of the customer to provide them a better service before they realize that they need it.
So this goes back to a point that Alistair Kroll made a little while ago about airlines, not understanding exactly who their customers were and needing to adjust to them when they make different decisions. How does data allow you to do that specifically with people who are buying pet toys, dog food, etc.? And usually, as a dog owner myself, I know that you have to keep going back and buying more, obviously.
Well, data allows you to look at it from two different perspectives. From the services portion of our industry, you can look at it and you can look at trending and say, once a month, this person is putting their dog into the Pets Hotel. Let's start making sure that we've got room in their favorite Pets Hotel. We want to make sure that they have the availability for it so that we don't have a dissatisfied customer. The other part is kind of doing a market basket analysis. If they're going to buy a dog toy, are they going to buy dog food? If they're going to buy dog food, what type of dog toy are they going to buy? How can we go ahead and make sure that we've got the right inventory, the right blend to maximize that sales basket transaction?
And how integrated do you need to be with your supply chain in CRM? Like, how do you put all those different things together?
We need to be highly integrated. So the data that comes in and the decisions that are made need to be easily translated back to the supply chain so that they can react with their vendors to make sure that they've got everything coming in a proper manner and that they're making the right decisions. So a good example is Holiday. We want to make sure that they have the information early to make the accurate sales projections early to get the best possible transportation and cost so we can maximize profits.
I was looking for some opportunity to say you're eating your own dog food, but there doesn't seem to be a need for it in this context. Very good. Well, thank you so much for your time and offering some perspective on how data actually makes a big difference for a pet retailer, right? I mean, that's I think a great example of how the business of data is coming home to business that people know quite well.
Great. Thank you very much.
All right. Take care.